Welcome back to my channel, Quiz Grace. Tips number 1. Pin messages for quick access. What it does, keep important conversation at the top of your message app. How to use? Open the message app. Tap and hold the message you want to pin. In the pop-up menu, tap on Pin, and your message is now pinned. Now you can see your pinned message always at the top. If you need your pinned message unpinned again, just follow the steps. First, open the message app. Now, tap and hold on the pinned message. In the pop-up menu, you can find Unpin. Just tap on Unpin and your pinned message now unpinned. Tip number 2. Do you have some sensitive apps in your phone? You can hide it. So, you want to hide it? Follow the steps. Tap and hold on the app you want to hide or lock. You can see a pop-up now, and there you can find Require Face ID. Just tap on Require Face ID. Now you need to tap on Hide and Require Face ID. Now your app is hidden. You may need your hidden apps to be unhidden again. So do the following steps and your app will be unhidden again. First, go to App Library, and you can find at the bottom of the app library the hidden apps. Tap on hidden app and your Face ID will unlock it. You do not need the calculator app to calculate anything. You can use the app search bar as calculator. Just follow the steps. If you find this video useful to you, please subscribe my channel to get videos like this. Tips number 4. How to maintain the good health of your iPhone battery. Tap on Setting first. Now tap on Battery. Now Battery Health and Charging. If you find Optimize Battery Charging toggle off, turn it on now. It will trigger slow charging at the night and keep the battery health good. Tips number 5. Quick scroll to the top. What it does, instantly go to the top of any web page or app. To do it, tap on status bars, clock or battery area and you are at the top instantly.